Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting all 300 photos into one clearly named folder so you can upload without hunting files. Make sure total size is reasonable. Compress or resize images if you exceed your connection or browser limits. Once done, open Facebook in a desktop browser and navigate to your profile's photos, right arrow Create Album. This is faster and supports bulk selection. Next, click Add Photos and keep the folder window open so you can drag or select all images at once. Now select or drag all files into the album upload area. Facebook will begin uploading and show progress for many files. While uploading, set the album name, privacy level, and a default description so everything is labeled uniformly. This saves editing later. You can also add batch tags or locations to speed finalization. Make sure to monitor the progress bar. If some files fail, note which ones and consider uploading them in 50-100 file batches to avoid timeouts or browser crashes. Finish by reviewing thumbnails and ordering. Drag to reorder or add individual captions before you save. Once you click Post or Save Album, Facebook processes final image rendering. Give it a few minutes to generate high-quality previews. If some images never appeared, retry only the failed files, try a different browser, or clear your cache and repeat. Intermittent network hiccups are often the culprit. Remember, if the browser struggles, upload in smaller batches, and then combine or move photos into one album to complete your 300 photo set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.